So as a programmer, as a machinist, I'm running through the part in my head. I'm facing it. How long is that going to take? I'm profiling. How long is that going to take? I'm drilling. How long is it going to take? I'm flipping the part over, decking the back. There's some islands on the bottom, so all the material around the islands has to come off. So I can't use a face mill. I have to use an end mill. Once I look and I analyze it and I machine it in my head, I think to myself, when machining 100 parts, how long is it going to take for each one? I believe it'll take me about 12 minutes on the top side. It'll take me about 3 minutes on the bottom side. I'll flip it over and finish by running this top surface up here, and that'll take about 12 minutes. It's an estimate, but estimates matter.
Exactly. Estimates matter. So why would you guess at machining cycle times? KipwareCYC takes all the guesstimating out of machining cycle time estimating and uses real numbers, real speed, and feeds that can actually be reproduced on your shop floor. It's time. Stop guesstimating and start estimating, and stop losing money. Learn more about KipwareCYC, machining cycle time estimating software at www.kipware.com.